Hello friends, today I will show how to list the first and last child element in the document. Now we are defining a method. Select first and last node, last child. Okay, this one and enter. Now we will first define the HTML elements. Now we will initialize the writing the HTML under the body tag is the parent tag is the body tag. Now this is written the parent tag. Under this one we will write another more HTML tags. Here you will see h1 tag. Here is the return. I will write here the text for the HTML tag, demonstrating how to list first and last child. And we will write another tag, that is the h2 tag. Yes, here is the technology crowds, and we will write more h2 tag, that is closing the h2 tag. Now www.technologycrowds.com. Now we have placed the three HTML tag under the parent body tag. Now we will load the document. Now our next step is the load the document. Where HTML doc equal to new HTML document. Yeah, here HTML doc dot load HTML, and we will pass the HTML variable. Now it will load the HTML document what we have written under the body tag. Yes, from this one. Now next one we will write the process how to show the first child element. Now we will define a variable HTML body equal to HTML doc dot document node dot select single node. Under body tag is body element. Yes, main parent node is the body. Yes, this one, and here will be the finishing this line, and we will move to the next line. And here HTML node, your first child. We write the HTML node is taking the variable of the HTML node first child equal to HTML body dot first child. This will pick the first child under the body tag, and you will see the output in our console. I think yeah, it's now we build the application and show the output in our console. Now we will call the method is selecting first and last child. Select first and last child. Yeah, here this method. We are writing this HTML agility pack in series, and I have written so many video and article on this one. Yes, here is the listing. Actually, here is some problem in the HTML because there is the entered and blank spaces, so we will remove that. So we will arrange the HTML in single line to remove any space or enter. Just we are rearranging it again to show the exact output. We can manipulate it at later if yes, HTML. Now you will see the first OI. Okay, demonstrating how to list first and last child. You can see in the console. This is our first element in the in this node under the body element, body node. This is our parent node. Okay, now you see the how we can list the last child of the element. Last child of the yes, here you see the last child is the www.technologycross.com. Yes, this is all friends. Please subscribe and share for more videos, latest video on the new technologies. Thank you.